Hello and welcome. My name is Dennis, and today I will introduce moujen signal tower product, the MST series. Moujen Electrical Limited was established in 1974 with more than 45 years of experience specializing in manufacturing limit switches, micro switches, push-button switches, and signal towers. These are essential components needed by automatic control machineries, both heavy and precise. Moujen's products are certified by many recognizable testing facilities worldwide. Moujen is recognized worldwide for excellent product quality and OEM capabilities. For example, Moujen supplies to major businesses in Japan, Italy, United States, and Germany. Moujen is constantly testing and developing new procedures and products to lead the market. So without further delay, let us begin today's video. I have here a competitor's signal tower and Moujen's MST signal tower. As you can see, competitors are bulkier and far too complicated, whereas Moujen's MST signal tower is light but sturdy and simple to operate and maintain. Speaking of easy to operate and maintain, let me show you how it all works. As you can see here, there is a PCB in the unit. At the end of the PCB right here, there is a switch you can select to choose which type of operation you would like. There are 4 types of settings for the LED unit. These are fast flash, slow flash, blinking, and permanent. There are 2 types of settings for the buzzer unit. These are high frequency at 102 decibels and low frequency at 96 decibels. Next, let's see how easy Moujen MST signal tower wiring is. As you can see here, each wiring is simple to identify and replace. Say goodbye to the days where wiring would feel complicated like bomb defusing. The helpful accessory tool is included in every purchase of a complete set of MST signal tower. There are 2 options for 1 or 2 meter cable. Moujen's MST signal tower is highly customizable. As you can see on the chart here, there are many options customers can choose from to meet their demands. The MST signal tower has a diameter ranging from 40 millimeters to 70 millimeters. The tower can have a maximum of 5 layers. Customers can also include a buzzer unit within the MST signal tower. There are 3 types of base stands customers may choose from. These are metal in black, metal in gun silver, and plastic in black. The MST signal tower has many ways of setting up the support rod and stand. Here are a few examples. The modular units are IP65 rated and ensure quality performance in many different working environments. The LED unit comes in 3 different types of coating, and these are color coding, matte white, and transparent. The LED is rated to operate 50,000 hours with normal usage. The unit casing is made from polycarbonate material, meaning that it can withstand accidental bumps or drops. The Moujen MST signal tower comes with a 1-year warranty under regular use. The starting price for a complete signal tower is under $100 US. To learn more and where to purchase, please visit moujen.com.tw. Thank you.